everyone, welcome to Motorbang Aussie. Well, today I'm going to show you a collection of photographs I've taken of this great state of Western Australia. Everything from the Kimberley all the way down to the Great Southern. Plenty of different types of shots, landscapes, nightscapes, aerial photography using a drone, which is a Phantom 4 Pro. I'd like to thank Gold Coast Helicopters when I was up there in Carnarvon. That was an experience. You know, shooting two-seater helicopter with the doors off, half hanging out. I still have nightmares about that one. And also Shark Bay Aviation, shooting out of a Cessna up there with the doors off, another great experience. But sit back, relax, hope you enjoy the photographs, and tell me what you think. Thank you.